So this is the second question of your NCRT question number 5. So here you can see that when hydrogen sulfide gas burns in air to give water and sulfur dioxide. So this is the hydrogen sulfide plus air. Air means we can take oxygen. Okay. Air. Whenever questions ask to take air, you will always take oxygen. Is this clear? So oxygen will take oxygen, that is O2, and then the product will water and sulfur dioxide. So water is H2 and sulfur dioxide is SO2. So just memorize the chemical formulas, or you can see the class 9 NCRT. There all chemical formulas are there. So now let's balance it. So for balancing, we'll again use the trial and error method. So trial and error method is also easy. Okay, don't say that it is tough. Sometimes it is tough, but most of the cases it is easy on you. So this is our table, and we have to see what are the elements present. So hydrogen is present, and sulfur is present, and oxygen is present. Okay, this only present. So here hydrogen 2 on the reactant side will put 2, and on the product side is also 2, so we put 2. Oxygen, no, sulfur is 1, and here sulfur is also 1. Here also oxygen 2, here also 2. So this is balance only. We have nothing to balance in this equation. It is our final balance. First of all, tell me how many of you thought that this is balance. I know majority of the students thought that it is balance. No fool, it is not balance. Here you can see oxygen is 2, and here 2, and here is also one oxygen in H2. So total 3 oxygens, here 2 oxygens. So this is not 2, this is 3. So now what we can do to balance it? So to balance it, we can put 2 in the water, H means H2. So oxygen will become what? 2 2s are 4. Oxygen will become 2 2s are 4. Then here 2 oxygen. Here we will put 2. Then here also oxygen becomes 4. Hence, this is only our final balance equation. So students, please look the question carefully. Some tricky questions are given by the question paper or means board from the board. So this only. You many of the students didn't see this oxygen. I know. Maybe some can see, but many of the students didn't see this oxygen. So our final balance equation is H2S plus 2O2, and product will be 2H2O plus SO2. So this is only our final balance equation. Ready? So let's move on to our third question. That is you can see that when barium chloride reacts with aluminum sulfate to give aluminum chloride and a precipitate of barium sulfate. Okay. So this is our barium chloride. This is aluminum sulfate. This is aluminum chloride, and this is barium sulfate. Okay. So you must remember that sulfide is S and sulfate is SO4. Sulfide is S and sulfate is SO4. I hope this is clear. So, so you can see aluminum sulfate, or what is given? Yes, aluminum sulfate. So how I get the aluminum sulfate chemical formula? It is very easy. First, aluminum with put, and you have to put sulfate. Aluminum valence is 3, sulfide is 2. Most of the students ask how you got the valency. Valency, it is there on the class 9 NCRT textbook, valency table of many elements you can see, or some easy elements you can take out valency by electronic configuration. So electronic configuration is nothing but the atomic number. Let's take sodium. Sodium is atomic number is 11. So 2 cells we put. First cell we can put 2. second cell we can put 8, and third cell we can put 1 because only 1 is there. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 1. For the formula for the what no valency is, this is not formula, this is the method. We can put two cells on two electrons on the first cell, and 8 electrons on the what you can say second cell, and third cell we can put maximum 18 electrons, but as there is one left to complete the 11th atomic number, we will put one. And valency is the number of electrons present in the valence cell. So valence cells means the last cell, last, that is outermost cell. This is only known as the valence cell. So sodium valency is 1. So some easy elements you can take out valency by electronic configuration. I hope this is clear to you. And now we will do cross multiplication, and the final formula will be Al2SO43. This is aluminum sulfate. So I will not explain much because I hope you are clear, because you have studied 9 now, therefore you will got this. So this is our formula. Here aluminum chloride and barium sulfate. So let's balance it. Now also we will use the trial and error method. One another method is also there. I will show you, but first of all I need support in this video, then I will show you. Otherwise I will not show you guys. Don't mind, okay? So this here elements barium is there and aluminium is also there. Sulfur, oxygen. Yeah, this is only there. No, one also there. Chlorine also there. Okay. Barium number is 1. In LHS, barium number is 1. That is the reactant side. Okay. Reactants is 1 barium, and here also 1 RHS. Chlorine is 2. Here is 3. Okay. Now the question. Here is 3. Okay. Oxygen. So here chlorine 2 and here chlorine 3, as you can see. Now aluminum atom we have here in the reactant side 2, and on the product side we have only 1. Okay. And sulfur atom on the reactant side is 1, and on the product side is also 1, and oxygen on the reactant 1. Okay. Oh, I made one mistake. Yes, sulfur is not 1, it's 3 because it is whole bracket. Whole bracket. S into 3, that is sulfur is 3, and here 1 in only. Here on 1. As you can see, sulfur is 1. Oxygen 4 3s are 12. Okay, oxygen is 12. And here oxygen is 4. Now balancing. Let's do balancing. So aluminium we have 2 only. So chlorine. If we put 2 here, then this also become 2. Aluminum here, aluminum will also become 2. Chlorine will become 6. 3 2s are 3 into 2, that is 6. Chlorine will become 6. Okay, if chlorine will become 6, then we will put 3 here. 3, then air is also 6. But here barium become 3. So on the left hand side, barium becomes 3. And here barium is only, as you can see, 1. So now we also multiply it by 3. Oh, sorry. So here also we multiply by 3. And barium 3. Here also barium 3. So now let me see it is balanced or not. Yeah, it is balanced. Now don't think that I am joking. It is balanced. No mistake. No, majority of the students think that is balanced. It is balanced only. So this is our final balance equation. I hope this is clear to all of you. Just note it down. Just note it down. It is important. Just note it down.